Hello sir, good morning. I'm Nihitani, 4B7 from ECD section. My topic is inverse Laplace transformations. Definition of Laplace transform. Let f of t be a given function of t defined for all t greater than or equal to 0. Then the Laplace transform of f of t denoted by L of f of t or f of s or f dash of s is defined as phi of s. L of f of t is equals to f dash of s is equals to f of s is equals to phi of s, that is integration of e power minus st f of t dt 0 to infinity, provided the integral exists where s is a parameter, real or complex. Laplace transform of some elementary functions. L of 1 is equals to 1 by s. Here it is there is proof by definition. Integral of 0 to infinity e power minus st dot 1 into dt is equals to e power minus st by minus s, that is equals to 1 by s, where s is greater than 0. L of e power at is equals to 1 by s minus a. L of e power at is equals to integral 0 to infinity e power minus st into e power at dt, that is equal to 1 by s minus a. By solving we'll get that. Third one, L of e power minus at is equals to 1 by s plus a. We just now proved it. Fourth one, L of sin h at is equals to a by s square minus a square. We have sin h at is equals to e power at minus e power minus at by 2, and cos h at is equals to e power at plus e power minus at by 2. Similarly, L cos h at is equals to s by s square minus a square. S is greater than mod a. L of sin at is equals to a by s square plus a square, and L of cos at is equals to s by s square plus a square. S is greater than 0. We know that e power ix is equals to cos x plus I sin x, that is Euler's formula. E power iat is equals to cos at plus I sin at. L of cos at plus I sin at is equals to L of e power iat, that is equals to 1 by s minus ia. Equating real and imaginary parts, then we'll get L of sin at is equals to a by s square plus a square, and L cos at is equals to s by s square plus a square. S is greater than 0. The eighth proof is L of t power n is equals to n plus under root n plus 1 by s power n plus 1, or n factorial by s power n plus 1. Here there is a proof e power minus st into t power n into dt integral 0 to infinity. If we put s into t is equals to u, then we'll get e power minus u into u by s whole power n into du by s. Finally, we'll get under root n plus 1 by s power n plus 1, where n is greater than minus 1. This is a sample problem. Here comes the first shifting theorem. First shifting theorem states that by definition, if L of f of t is equals to f dash of s, then L of e power at into f of t is equals to f dash of s minus a. So by definition, L of e power at f of t is equals to e power minus st e power at f of t dt 0 to infinity. By solving it, we'll get f of f dash of r is equals to f dash of s minus a. L of e power at f of t is equals to f dash of s minus a. Similarly, L of e power minus at into f of t is equals to f dash of s plus a. Here is an example. L of e power minus 3t cos 4t. L of cos 4t is equals to s by s square plus 4 square. L of e power minus 3t cos 4t is equals to s plus 3 whole square plus 4 square. L of e power 2t cos h 2t, L cos h 2t is equals to s by s square minus 2 square. L of e power 2t cos 4t is equals to s minus 2 by s minus 2 whole square minus s minus 2. This is second shifting theorem. If L of f of t is equals to f dash of s, then L of f of t minus a into u of t minus a is equals to e power minus as into f dash of s. E power minus as L of f of t. Here is an example of second shifting theorem. Differentiation and integration of Laplace transform. This is another method involved in Laplace transform. If L of f of t is equals to f dash of s, then L of t power n into f of t is equals to minus 1 whole power n d n by ds power n f dash of s, where n is equals to 1, 2, 3 and so on. Integration of Laplace transform states that if L of f of t is equals to f dash of s and f of t by t has a Laplace transform, then L of f of t by t is equals to integral 0 to infinity f dash of s ds. Example of Laplace multiplication. Here the example is minus L into t square into e power at. L of t square e power at is equals to minus 1 whole square d square by ds square into 1 by s minus a. D by ds of minus 1 by s minus a whole square, 2 by s minus a whole cube. This is the example of Laplace integration. L of sine omega t by t. Then by formula integral s to infinity omega ds by s square plus omega square, that is equals to omega into 1 by omega tan inverse s by omega, limits s to infinity. If we substitute the limits, then we'll get tan inverse infinity minus tan inverse s by omega, pi by 2 minus tan inverse s by omega, that is equals to cot inverse s by omega. This evaluation of integrals by Laplace transforms. Here is again an example. This is the condition for derivatives and integral. Laplace transform of the derivative of f of t. If f of t is continuous for all t is greater than or equal to 0, and if f dash of t is piecewise continuous, then L of f dash of t exists provided limit t tends to infinity e power minus st f of t is equals to 0, and L of f dash of t is equals to s into L of f of t minus f of 0 is equals to s into f dash of s minus f of 0. Here Laplace integration, transform of integration is L of f of t is equals to f of s, then L of f of u into du limits 0 to t, that is equals to 1 by s into f dash of s. Also L inverse 1 by s into f dash of s is equals to 0 to t f of u into du. Here is again an example of Laplace transform, sin at. It's again a new topic, Laplace transform of periodic functions. Definition: a function f of t is said to be periodic function if with period p greater than 0, if f of t plus p is equals to f of t for all t greater than 0. The Laplace transform of a piecewise continuous periodic function f of t with period p is L of f of t is equals to 1 by 1 minus e power minus pt integral 0 to p e power minus st into f of t into dt if s is greater than 0. Inverse Laplace transform. The definition of inverse Laplace transform is: if L of f of t is equals to f dash of s, then f of t is called the inverse Laplace transform of f dash of s and is denoted by L inverse of f dash of s minus f of t. Some standard Laplace inverse are, these are the formulas for Laplace transform, inverse transform.